What is up guys, it's your favourite Scotsman Ryan here, and while I was taking a look through my channel the other day, I noticed that I hadn't posted the results video up for the £600 $700 PC build. So if you missed the first part of that video where I discuss all the parts etc, I will leave it linked down below. So as I said, I definitely apologise, and for those of you who would like a little refresh on what is inside the PC, let's get into it. So for this build I went for the Intel i3 6100 processor, the MSI B150M Mortar motherboard, an MSI GTX 970 gaming graphics card, 16GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 RAM clocked at 2133MHz, the Cooler Master Hyper TX3 Evo, which is a great budget friendly cooler, the trusty EVGA 600B power supply, and it is all packed inside Corsair's Spec M2 case. So I was really happy with how the build turned out in the end, and I managed to get things looking pretty good inside the case. So in terms of benchmarks, it scored a 6900 on Firestrike and averaged around 51 FPS in Unigine Heaven with everything cranked right up. But who really cares about generic benchmarks, because most importantly, how did it game? Well, for the gaming benchmarks I ran everything on max settings at 1080p, so let's take a look at how it performed. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps it up. As you can tell, it did perform pretty well. Of course, some of the parts that I did use in this build were pretty overpriced, and you can definitely build something similar and save a few $100s. If you would like to share a build down below, which is of course i3 based, let me know and I will maybe build it in the near future and give you a shout out. As always guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I have a new PC build coming up on the channel tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, be kind to each other, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace!
Those were down cameras.